Asuntoskäyttäjä Vuorimies.
Today on 14th of July 2023. This is Vuorimiehenkatu Välimäskanto 19 staircase A, and I think B also probably has or not.
Yeah, probably.
And then the staircase C also has.
Yeah, and E probably, but I don't know. But
I think C looks a bit different.
yeah.
But we have to try it later too.
Yeah.
So also in Finland, Vuorimiehenkatu has Vuorimiehenkatu in Finland. Also beautiful. Look at that gap.
Yeah.
It shouldn't have been more or upgraded like but they've been before, right?
Yeah.
It's maybe 3 heights.
Yes.
It's negotiation 1630. What's the year? Is that like I think late 1920s?
Yeah.
99, but we can check it.
Yeah. Or early 30s, I think.
Yeah, and then upgraded in the 90s, or maybe not 60 or something.
Yeah. Inspected parking lines without maintained by a policy. Yeah, same.
Should have been the original. So.
Yeah.
Oops. This could have been built in 1930 maybe. Or
No, probably 32 probably, but I'm not sure. But
you can check it later.
yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Towards the window. Then I will press.
Yeah.
I like this kind of gate.
The same.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And the staircase is very beautiful too.
Yeah. Probably updated in 1957 because I checked the list of renovations and it doesn't say it, but it said that the oldest one is from 1957. So probably it was the elevator.
Yeah, that's possible. It was rare back then also.
Yeah. That's